How to run a diagnostic on a computer. If you want to run a diagnostic on a computer, then if your computer has recently slowed down, consider recent updates, newly installed programs, or changed settings as potential causes. You can close each open program one by one, noting any improvement in performance. If you notice a significant improvement after closing a specific program, it might be causing performance issues. Restarting your computer can resolve many performance issues, especially if it hasn't been restarted for a day or more. Perform any malware scan on your computer to check any kind of malicious software that could be affecting performance. You can simply go with your settings, and under settings, you can simply go and search for virus and threat protection, and then you can scan your computer if you have any current threats. And you can open up your task manager by simply typing task manager, select it, and here you need to simply click on the memory header to sort programs by memory usage. Identify the programs consuming significant memory and end the task for those that are unnecessary. Like if you're not using this Google, then you just need to right click on it and then you need to end the task. You can switch to the Startup Apps tab and disable the unnecessary programs that launch at startup by selecting them and clicking disable. Like you have this grammarly.desktop, right? Simply click on it and here you will have enable, but you need to simply go and disable that, and once you've disabled, then your problem might be fixed. And after doing that, now you just need to simply open up Windows Memory Diagnostic. So simply go for the Windows search and search for Windows Memory Diagnostic. Open the app and you can simply choose the options between restart now and check for problems, or check for problems the next time I start my computer. Allow the Windows Memory tool to scan your computer for any memory related issues during the restart process. By following these steps, you can identify and address various factors contributing to your computer's slow performance. So that's how you can run a diagnostic on your computer. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.